Hi Kim, have you heard about Valley Gives Day?
Hi Erica, yes I have. In fact, this is when over 400 Pioneer Valley nonprofits join up for a community-wide day of online giving. And this year it's set for December 10th.
That's right. And there are many Amherst organizations participating, including many of the school PGOs. You can find them all listed at amherstgives.org. But I hope that you'll keep Amherst Education Foundation in mind when you donate.
And that's because AEF raises money on Valley Gives Day to support the amazing grants for the Amherst, Pelham, Leverett, and Shutesbury schools.
Yes, thanks to our wonderful community support, AEF has been giving grants to support students and teachers in all grades in math, arts, science, literacy, community building, and more. This is AEF's 20th anniversary year, and we hope to make it a big one.
Well, I intend to. So how do I make a donation, Erica?
Well, you can follow AEF on Facebook and Twitter to find out more, and bookmark the address on your screen, and then be sure to make your donation on Valley Gives Day.
All right, well that sounds pretty easy, and I will see you on December 10th.
Thanks, Kim. See you on Valley Gives Day.
Sounds great, and thank you, AEF, for supporting the Amherst, Pelham, and Regional Public Schools.